Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 4.6. Solve the following system of equations using matrix method. Here, the variables are given as 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z. So, we will use the normal method to solve these equations. Only we will keep in mind that the value that we have generated is for 1 by x. So, first let's write out the coefficient matrix A. So, this is going to be equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 7, 2, 1, minus 1. And now for the constant matrix, B is going to be equal to 9, 52 and 0. So now let's compute the determinant of A. So determinant of A is 1 into minus 5 minus 7 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 14 plus 1 into 2 minus 10. So this is minus 12 plus 16 minus 8, which is equal to minus 4. Now let's compute the cofactors. So cofactors first A11. Remember this row and this column is eliminated. So you cross multiply. So this is minus 5 minus 7, which is equal to minus 12. Now A12 is negative sign of. Remember this row and column is eliminated. So minus 2 minus 14. So this is minus 16. So essentially you get plus 16. Now A13, remove this row and column. Now find out the value. So this is 2 minus 10, which is going to be equal to minus 8. Now let's compute A21. So A21, we are eliminating this row and column. So it is minus 1 minus 1. There is already a minus sign. So minus of minus 2, which is plus 2. A22, eliminate the second row and second column. So minus 1 minus 2, which is going to be minus 3. Now A23 is going to be eliminate this row, this column, 1 minus 2. So it is minus 1. There is already a minus sign here. So minus into minus is plus 1. Now let's compute A31 similarly. Eliminate the row and the column in which it is there. So it is 7 minus 5, which is 2. A32 is equal to, now this row and column is eliminated. 7 minus 2 is 5. However, there is a minus sign here. So minus 5. Now A33 is going to be plus of, now this row and column eliminated. So 5 minus 2, it is 3. Now let's write out the adjoint matrix. So this is going to be equal to 1 divided by minus 4, and we are going to write the adjoint matrix, which is minus 12, 2, 2, 16, minus 3, minus 5, minus 8, 1 and 3. This matrix is multiplied with this constant matrix, which is going to be 9, 52 and 0. So this is minus 1 by 4. Now let's perform this multiplication. So this is going to be equal to minus 108 plus 104 plus 0. This is 144 minus 156 plus 0. And this is minus 72 plus 52 plus 0. So you simplify, this is minus 1 by 4 of minus 4, minus 12 and minus 20. So each term you divide by minus 4, you will get the value as 1, 3 and 5. Now remember, in this case the variable is 1 by x. So that tells you that 1 by x is equal to 1, which means x is equal to 1. Now 1 by y is equal to 3, which means y is equal to 1 by 3. Now 1 by z is equal to 5. This means z is equal to 1 by 5. Please don't forget this particular step because this coefficients is in the fractions type. In the next video, we will find the solution for the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.